I got something wrong with me, you son of a bitch.
No pineapple! Oh, he's got a...
My girlfriend. Oh, go fuck yourself, Randy.
Pineapple!
What do you think we're gonna do, beach shop?
Probably.
I like your hat.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Well, you gotta, it's your right to do what you're doing.
Yeah, what's going on? How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Anything you like to say to America? No? Well,
I want my money to go to people.
okay.
Help them with medicines, with groceries and stuff. I'm not going to support somebody and his family, billionaires, trillionaires.
How do you figure?
Oh, come on, get out of here. Big
Why are
guy,
you shaking so much?
Big guy, small dick.
What is it? What, I know all about that.
Get out of here, will you?
No, you.
We love the USA. We love democracy.
I think you hate the USA.
Democracy.
Trump 2028, baby. Trump 2028, baby.
That's illegal. We let the
Trump 2028.
But isn't that against the
We let the sheriff's office. Did you
know
just
you guys
crawl
are
out of
coming?
bed?
Trump 2028. Hey, that's rude.
What?
We don't say mean things.
Oh, yeah, right.
Why are you whistling?
We love
Hey,
USA.
I have a better whistle. Don't make me grab my whistle. Don't make me grab my whistle.
So much money. Trump has stolen so much money.
You guys are the ones being...
Pineapple! Not the whistles. Sorry, bro. How you doing?
Hey, I'm alright. I'm good, man.
In our corner, they came over here to us. Back off, get away from me.
I'm away from you.
Back off and get away from
I am away from you.
Back off and
You back off.
back off and get away. In our corner,
They're losing their shit right now. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
they came to us.
I came on you. I came on you, actually.
Not an exchange occasion here, boy. Not a chance.
Hey, how are you doing? They got Applebee's around here? 2 for $25, maybe?
They do not.
No? Would you like to go to dinner after this?
No, thank you. I'm taken.
I'm actually into that.
I'm not. I don't share well.
Pineapple! I respect the message.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
My message.
I love the message. It's not your hate for Trump? It's not just a hate for Trump?
I don't have to like him
Okay.
to have him do a good job. He's
Okay.
just not doing a good job. And there are specific issues that I have, not him.
Okay. Fair enough. You seem level-headed.
I am.
Good. I like that shit. Try to have conversations, but it doesn't seem to be the trend.
It isn't, but that's, your approach might be a little
My approach is a little, yeah.
I mean, the first thing you did was said fuck you when you drove up, and I was like, well, that's sort of rude.
Well, I mean, it's
I
just...
told you to have a great day.
Well, have a great day, but, I mean, we are out here to voice our opinions.
And you can.
Yeah, you know?
I am too. I'm standing here doing it, right?
She's calling the cops. And she's shaking so bad. She's calling the cops.
Show a little compassion.
What did I do?
About her shaking.
What did I do?
Apparently you upset her, and that's not very nice either.
That's not upsetting.
Comment on people's physical ailments.
Why is she shaking so much?
Why do you care? It's none of your business. Don't comment on people's...
I'm just asking a question, honey.
I don't need to answer.
Are you married?
I don't need to answer any of your questions. Go
Do you want to go to dinner after this?
Not a freaking chance.
Oh, thank you. Blow your whistle if you love Donald Trump. Blow your whistle if you love Donald Trump.
Stop being obtuse. That's rude.
Blow your whistle if you love Donald Trump. Hold your sign and camera if you love Donald Trump. Hold it. Hold it high. Hey, what happened? Why did you call the cops?
It's none of your business who I called.
Ah!
We called cops before you even got...
Pineapple!
Go away.
Yeah, get out of our face, will ya?
I'm not in your face.
That's who I'm calling. God.
Why are you shaking so bad?
Leave her alone. Stop it.
Why are you shaking so bad?
Leave her alone. Stop
Because I
commenting
got
on her.
something wrong with me, you son of a bitch.
Ah! No pineapple!
That's enough. That's enough.
Ah!
That's big
I'm so...
boy.
He's been arrested.
I'm so wrecked right now.
You should be.
Quit filming me without my consent.
I love it.
You guys, there's a nice
And not the confrontation.
You don't own this land. This is native land. Yeah. You can ask me to do whatever you want, honey. Blow your whistle for Donald Trump.
I would blow nothing for him.
You would blow your whistle for Donald Trump.
And now you're standing about 4 feet from me.
Thank you. 4 feet away from her. That's not enough.
Maybe 3
You can back up if you feel that way. Can I take this protest in your hand in marriage? Blow your whistle for Donald Trump! What up? Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Glad to be here.
Ah! Pineapple!
Now you're harassing us,
You got shaken baby syndrome.
harassing us.
This is not harassment.
Look at how far they are.
Oh, look at how far they are. Oh, look at how far they are.
What's harassment?
Ah! We got the third one calling the cops now. Oh, I love this. You guys are amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Ah! Blow your whistle for Donald Trump. Blow your whistle for Donald Trump.
Pedophile crap.
Pedophile protector.
I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, I want the super long one. Why are you such a hater? Why are you such a hater? I had such a great day. I'm so thankful for everybody who showed up for Gloria. Thank you so much.